Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to build up your coverage using your Maskcara beauty products. So first thing I'm doing is I'm applying my foundation as I normally would, everyday coverage, just a quick little application. I like to do the cheetah method where you dot all over your face first and then blend in. This is just how I make sure that I have even coverage. I don't have more foundation built up in one spot than another. And then I take my fluffy end of my 30-second hack brush and blend all those little dots together. As I finish blending out my forehead dots here, a picture is going to pop up, and this is just how my foundation looks on an everyday kind of average moment. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add coverage and dimension with our highlighting and contouring. So just applying another layer of my foundation shade, which is Mango, all over. And I'm going to take my lighter color here, this one is called Wheat, and I'm going to dot this on the high points of the face, so top of the cheekbones, and I place them right under my eye because we're going to blend all that in. Down the nose, across the forehead, down on my chin. Now I'm taking my contour shade, which is Indigo. I'm going to place this contour color on the low points of the face. So under the cheekbones, we're going to apply that color. We're going to take some into the temples and across the hairline. Now taking my fluffy brush again, I'm going to blend in the foundation shades, and then I'm going to go in under the eyes in a tapping motion, and we're going to tap and blend in that wheat color into our mango color. So now that we zoom back out, you can see how those colors just melt right in. You can see that gradient of color where under the eyes is lighter, and then the bottom half of the cheek and jaw is my normal foundation shade. So now we're gonna, of course, work on the other side. Patting, doing circular motions to blend all that in, but you can see that range there. Now we're gonna work on the nose, and again, patting that lighter wheat color into the mango color, even on the nose, patting them in. Then on the forehead, we're going to go ahead and work upwards, bringing wheat into mango and then blending them together in circular motions. And once I like the way the highlight color and the foundation colors are all blended out, then I go in and I work on those darker contour areas, blending the contour shade down into our foundation shades. And now it's time for cheeks. Up close and personal, you can see how I'm patting that color in and then softly little circle motions to buff out harsh lines. Again, just melting these colors into each other. And you can really tell the difference in coverage now that we've done this additional layer. Skin is all evened out. Now we're going to go in with a Desert Sunset. This is the new blush color. We're going to apply those on the apples of the cheeks, little tapping motions. Build up the color right where we want it, and then circle motions again to blend and soften out. For my brows, I am using the eyeshadow in the color Oak, with a little angled brush, getting that color into the little hairs and using the spoolie end to soften them out. Super easy. And now with our cream highlight, we're going to tap this all right on top of the cheekbones just to capture a little bit of light. Helps to bring that healthy glow to the skin. It's one of the great things with creams is that creams just look like really good skin. We're going to take the shimmer down the nose. And there we have it, adding just a little bit more coverage, more dimension with our highlighting and contouring, and a little color to the cheeks with our blush. And now here's a little before and after. So the picture on the left is just foundation. The picture on the right is with our contour, highlight, and blush. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Can't wait to see you in the next video.